walk forward, just got done on it. Give you a description of this combination. It's got our heads on it. It's got a custom ground hydraulic roller, the rear sump oil pan. It's got the Pro-Am manifold, Accufab throttle body, fuel management, Terminator X, great system. Got the March serpentine belt. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 478 foot-pounds of torque. Peaks torque 495, good flat there. Peaks horsepower 480, rated 500. Front end's about 20, so everything's good. We'll get her off there, getting a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.